So now I will talk about objective 3, and topic is finding a difference quotient for a linear and quadratic function. Linear is easier, so I'm not showing the any of the linear example. I'm showing all the quadratic one. So find the difference quotient. So we are looking for this expression for given function f of x equals 2x squared plus 6. So we are looking for f of x plus h minus f of x over h. So let's do it step by step. So f of x is given 2x squared plus 6. Now if I calculate f of x plus h, so x will be replaced for x plus h. Now if I FOIL this, x plus h times x plus h, I get x squared plus xh plus xh plus h squared plus 6. Then if I distribute 2 to each of this, sorry, let's do the like term, adding like term first. So we have 2 times x squared, 1xh plus 1xh is 2xh plus h squared plus 6. Then I will distribute the 2 to each of this. So finally I get 2x squared plus 4xh plus 2h squared plus 6. So this is what f of x plus h. Now I can just take this and paste it here. So I have 2x squared plus 4xh plus 2h squared plus 6. Then I have minus f of x. So f of x is this one. If I make a minus in front of it, so all the sign will change. So minus f of x is minus 2x squared minus 6. Then over, we have a h. Now let's simplify the numerator. So we have positive 2x squared, which cancels with negative 2x squared. A positive 6 cancels with negative 6. What is left in the numerator is 4xh plus 2h squared, and 1h we can factor out from this. So if I do that, I have 4x plus 2h divided by h. So we can cancel the common factor of h from both numerator and denominator. So what we have, finally, we end up with 4x plus 2h, which is the answer for this. Let's look at another example. So a little bigger quadratic function now, and we are looking for same thing, f of x plus h minus f of x over h. Now again, I will just step by step. F of x is given this, so f of x plus h will be negative 2 times x plus h squared plus 3 times x plus h minus 2. Now we have negative 2 times, if we expand x plus h square or do the FOIL x plus h times x plus h, we did last one also. So I'm just writing after adding like terms. So it will be x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. Then if I distribute 3 to each of these, I have 3x plus 3h, and then I have minus 2. So then if I distribute negative to each of this, finally for f of x plus h, I get for this function negative 2x squared minus 4xh minus 2h squared plus 3x plus 3h minus 2. So I can cut and paste this thing here. So I have negative 2x squared minus 4xh minus 2h squared plus 3x plus 3h minus 2. And then I have minus f of x. So if I do minus f of x, all this sign will change. So we will have plus 2x squared. And we have minus 3x, then plus 2. So that's the numerator. And denominator, we have an h. So now negative 2x squared cancels with positive 2x squared. Negative 3x cancels with positive 3x. Negative 2 cancels with positive 2. So what left is negative 4xh minus 2h squared plus 3h over h. Now you can factor out one h from this numerator. So you have negative 4x minus 2h plus 3 over h, and you cancel out the h from numerator and denominator. And we end up with negative 4x minus 2h plus 3. So that will be the final answer for this question. Now quickly, I will show you one linear function since you are getting linear function also for this question. So let's say the f of x is 2x plus 3, and we are calculating f of x plus h minus f of x over h. So if we find f of x plus h, we get 2 times x plus h plus 3. So what we have, 2x plus 2h plus 3. So we can copy this one here, 2x plus 2h plus 3. And then if we make negative f of x, this will be negative, this will be negative. So minus 2x minus 3 over 8. Now positive 2x cancels with negative 2x, positive 3 cancels with negative 3. We have 2h in the numerator and h in the denominator. So h cancel each other. So the answer will be, 2 for this one. So as I said, linear one is pretty simple. So that's why I thought quadratic one I should show you. Hope this helps you. Thank you.